This tutorial will walk you through how to install and set up UPS real-time shipping in VPCart 9. Firstly, you need to download the module from https://www.vpasp.com/sales/addons900.asp. Please enter your order number and the email address you received from VPCart to access the VPCart add-ons. Select the module and click Get Add-on button. After that, you will receive the module zip file via email. Download and unzip the module zip file in your local computer. Open README file in a browser to view the installation instructions. As mentioned in README, upload all the files to your shopping cart folder. After that, log into VPCart admin interface. Execute setup file ups_setup.asp to install the module. Click Install Now button. Click Module Configuration Page link to configure the module. Set Enable to Yes and click Save button. After that, click Configure link to configure the module settings. Select Shipping Calculation from the drop-down menu. For example, we can select Weight Range option. You can add records to shipping table, according to your shipping calculation selected. Click Add UPS Real-Time Shipping. Click Next button. You need to agree to the UPS license agreement, then you are prompted to enter your details. These need to match the details you used when signing up with UPS. You must not enter any special characters in this form, such as "and", as these can result in errors being returned from the UPS server. If you have some specific requirements, you can make these changes in the Configure UPS screen, as shown here. Thank you for watching this tutorial.